Hi, my name is Blake. We're part of the OptiSolve Champions team here from Swish, and we're about to go assess a facility today. Come on with me, let's go check it out. So we're back, part of the OptiSolve team. We're looking at our Site Assessment Validation Indicator, aka our Savi program. Now what this does is proactively plans, tracks, and develops site assessments for your facilities to validate whether a surface is actually clean. Now what we're going to do today is we're going to find that out. Now under Savi, we have four main groups. The first group is a health and safety portion, where we can test things like proper PPE and proper labeling of the products you're using. With product verification portion of the Savi program, we're looking more at whether we're using the right products and whether they're DIN certified. With the cleaning quality portion of Savi, this is your meat and potatoes of cleaning. We're talking garbage cans emptied, smudges on the floor, anything you can visually see. There's also an opportunity to add pictures and comments to your measurables and your certain Savi requirements. Now under the surface imaging portion, we're going to be showing Swish's latest technology, the OptiSolve Pathfinder imaging system. Now this system has been specifically designed to show if surfaces are actually clean versus just visually clean. Let's find out. Pathfinder's technology uses Savi software to process the images. The results are generated on site and can be viewed in real time on the tablet screen. OptiSolve Pathfinder is an environmental hygiene monitoring tool. It generates intensity mapped images and data of contamination on hard, non-porous surfaces for an indicator of cleanliness. The visual images show contamination from non-detect, moderate, high, and severe, with colors scaling from yellow, orange, and red. Communicate results for easy feedback, training, and continuous improvements on your precision clean in your facility. Ongoing assessments provide feedback and benchmarks that can be shared in both a digital dashboard and a report format. OptiSolve helps you take the guesswork out of the cleaning process, reducing overall time and risk. It allows you to implement what we call precision cleaning.